EBS Kids.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemon. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling, bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic ice cream truck.
Don't complain, Bling Bling.
My antique paint set, and my inline skates. Limo! Pepper!
Yes, Penelope.
Here, Limo, a paint set for you.
Wow! Whoa! Paints and brushes. Oh, thank you, Aunt Penelope.
Pepper? Yes, these are yours, Pepper.
Wow! Skates! Thank you!
You're welcome. I knew you'd like them.
I'm going to get my sketchbook. And Penelope, I love skates.
Bling, bling. Time for breakfast.
Yes, breakfast. Oh no!
What now?
Oh, I don't like cereal. I want pancakes. And you know I hate eggs. Stop giving me eggs. And I don't like plain milk. Bring me chocolate milk. And butter? Where's the jam?
Here.
Oh no. No strawberry jam.
Here.
No apple jam. I want grape jam.
We don't have grape jam. Just the apple jam.
Oh, it's too sticky.
Oh. Complain. All the time. Stop complaining, Bling Bling.
But I want grape.
That's it. If you don't want it, no breakfast.
Give it to me. I want a croissant.
There you go again. Complain. You have to complain.
Here's a rainbow ice cream, Grumpy Jessie. What's wrong again?
Too many colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors. That's too many.
But it's a rainbow ice cream. A rainbow has 7 colors.
Whatever. I don't like it. Take out the red and orange. Ugh.
A rainbow without red and orange?
Yes. No red, no orange. Take them out now.
Okay. Fine.
Now.
Here you go. A strange-looking rainbow ice cream without red and orange.
Oh, still too many colors. Take out all the colors except green. Keep the green.
But it's a rainbow. It needs...
I don't care. Green rainbow ice cream. Now.
Okay, Grumpy Jessie.
What?
Nothing. Nothing. Here you go, Jessie. A rainbow ice cream with just green in it.
No!
What's wrong now?
It's not a rainbow! Rainbows are colorful!
But you said no red, no orange, nothing but grape.
No! It's not rainbow ice cream! Give me a rainbow! A rainbow!
Complain, 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 complain. He has to complain about everything.
Joe, are you okay?
Do I look okay? I'm not okay. That Grumpy Jessie came again.
Grumpy Jessie again?
Yeah? He said he wanted a rainbow ice cream without red and orange, just green. I hate Grumpy Jessie. He is just so grumpy. Oh, I hate making ice cream too. I hate everything.
Oh, Joe. Oh, come with Limo.
Where are you going?
Outside, paint.
But it's going to rain.
No, look, blue sky. Oh no!
Told you.
Dust, dust. Go away. Yeah, all clean. Now the drums. Your turn.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
What's wrong now, Bling Bling?
Blah Blah's new song got to #1 again.
Really? Oh, I want to listen.
Don't play it. I don't want to hear it.
Then why don't you stop complaining and practice?
I will.
When?
Right now. Get out of the way.
But I'm cleaning right now.
Clean later. I'm the best of the best. I am better than the rest. I'm a dancer. I'm a singer. Oh, come on. Come on. Move over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, dust. So much dust. Silver, clean the drums.
I was about to.
Thunder, lightning, and rain? That's it! No practicing today. I don't want to practice today.
Complain, 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 and complain again. You always have to complain. I hate your complaining. Goodbye.
Where are you going, Silver? Come back here, right now. Otherwise, I'll get a new drummer. Yes, I'm getting a new drummer.
Fine with me.
I hate today. It's all because of you, Grumpy Jessie.
I hate today. It's all because of you, Rain. I hate today. It's all because of you, Rain. I hate rain. I hate rain too.
You know what? I even hate making ice cream.
Oh, no. Hate is a big word, guys. Why don't I make ice cream for you? Give thanks ice cream.
Give thanks ice cream?
One bite, and you'll give thanks for everything.
But I don't want to make any ice creams.
Give thanks for everything?
Trust me and give it a try. I'm sure you'll feel better. Let's make Give Thanks ice cream. Oscar's impossible ice cream recipe. Today's ingredient is the AIN word family. A-I-N. A-N. A-N. AIN.
A-I-N. A-N. A-N. Ain.
Complain.
Complain.
Rain.
Rain.
Raincoat.
Raincoat.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Do you want to complain?
Do you want to complain?
Don't complain about the rain.
Don't complain about the rain.
'Cause you can put on your raincoat.
'Cause you can put on your raincoat.
And give thanks for the rainbow.
And give thanks for the rainbow.
Complain, rain, raincoat, rainbow.
Complain, rain, raincoat, rainbow.
Mix everything together. Let's make Give Thanks ice cream.
Boca, 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 boca.
Ain, we're family.
Ain, we're family.
Do you want to complain? Complain.
Do you want to complain? Complain.
Don't complain about the rain. Rain.
Don't complain about the rain. Rain.
'Cause you can't put on your raincoat.
'Cause you can put on your raincoat. Raincoat.
And give thanks for the rainbow.
And give thanks for the rainbow. Rainbow. Boca, boca.
Mix everything together.
Boca, boca.
Complain, rain, raincoat, rainbow.
Complain, rain, raincoat, rainbow.
Complain, rain, raincoat, rainbow.
Complain, rain, raincoat, rainbow. Boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, 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 boca. Boca, boca, boca.
Give Thanks ice cream.
I don't want any ice cream.
I don't want any ice cream.
Just one bite. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Oh.
Rain!
Do you still hate the rain?
No, I love the rain. I can paint the rain. Rain!
Pepper, do you still hate the rain?
No, I love the rain. I can wear my raincoat, my pretty raincoat.
And Joe, do you still hate making ice cream?
No way!
Pepper, my raincoat. I'll paint you, Pepper.
And I'll make you happy rainbow ice cream.
Welcome to the Bling Bling Band. I'm Bling Bling, and you are...
Jesse.
Okay, Jesse, my new drummer. So, this is my music room.
Music room? Really? But it's just a keyboard and drums.
What?
What's wrong with this keyboard?
Sorry, it just broke today.
I don't like it. I'm going.
Oh, wait, Jesse, the drums are fine. Try them. Here, take these.
I just don't like it here.
Okay, let's start the music.
1, 2, 3, 4. Dust! So much dust! Do you ever clean the drums?
What?
Thunder, lightning, and rain! I hate thunder! I hate lightning! I hate rain! No drumming today!
Oh, you just complain too much, Jesse. You're just so grumpy. Come back, Silver. I miss you, Silver.
Raindrops.
Yeah, I like the sound of raindrops too.
And I like stories.
Okay then, I'll read you a story.
Yeah!
Love at the train station. A beautiful bird is sitting above the train station. Oh, here comes another bird. He's wearing a tuxedo. Oh, he's trying to give her some flowers. No, a train is coming. Oh, he's about to play guitar. Oh no, a train again. Oh, he's going to give her a ring. Oh no, here comes another train and it's very fast. Look! It's a beautiful bird. She's holding paint and a paintbrush. What is she painting? Oh, she painted a new tuxedo. Now, two little birds are happy together.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Stop! Don't go away, rain! Rain, rain, don't go away. Don't go away. Come again and stay today. Stay today. 'Cause I just love the sound of raindrops. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Raindrops dancing in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Rain, rain, don't go away. Don't go away. Come again and stay today. Stay today. 'Cause I just love playing with my umbrella. Spinning round and round and round. Umbrellas dancing in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Rain, rain, don't go away. Don't go away. Come again and stay today. Stay today. 'Cause I just love dancing in the puddle. Splash, 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 splash. Rain boots are dancing in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Rain, rain, don't go away. And show me a pretty rainbow. Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons.
Loves lemons.
Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
Packs a punch. And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me? The bright and shining superstar Bling.